Hi, Darin Mangum here, the PPM Attorney. Here's another video about opportunity zones and how they're used in the context of raising capital and the private placement memorandum market. Um, some of the other videos that I put out on opportunity zones, we've talked about what is an opportunity zone, where are they to be found, and in each of these videos, I'm going to include a link to a map, interactive map that you can locate depending on what state you're in. You can certainly find out which census tracts are currently designated as opportunity zones. But anyway, on the last video, we talked about what is an opportunity zone and what is an opportunity fund. Obviously, just to recap, opportunity zones are these economically challenged areas that have been designated as opportunity zones by the various states and territories. The last video that I shot was in Puerto Rico, which most of which is an opportunity zone. But every state in the union has designated opportunity zones. And then, of course, we talked about opportunity zone funds, which are obviously pooled vehicles that are facilitated in order to invest in an opportunity zone. And typically that's structured as a private placement memorandum type offering to investors, which we help do. In today's video, I wanted to talk about opportunity zone property, because obviously to be an opportunity zone, to qualify for the tax benefits, you have to, the opportunity zone fund has to invest in at least 90% of its assets inside of into opportunity zone property. What is opportunity zone property? Well, that's been clearly defined as any kind of qualified opportunity zone stock, which is basically if you're investing in a stock in a domestic corporation, and also opportunity zone partnership interest or like an LLC interest. And typically these opportunity zones are structured as LLCs or partnerships in order to make them have flow through tax treatment. So anyway, you're basically investing in a business that is located within a opportunity zone. You're investing in that company's stock or that fund's partnership interest inside that opportunity zone. That qualifies as opportunity zone property. It doesn't have to be directly, in other words, it doesn't have to be directly tied to real estate to qualify as opportunity zone property. And so, if the business or operation may not have any real estate related to it, but it's operating inside an opportunity zone, and therefore it qualifies as opportunity zone property. And then, of course, the third type of opportunity zone property is any kind of business property or tangible property. It could be obviously real estate, but it also could be equipment, any sort of property that's used in the business in order to help substantially improve the property and help the business operate and things of that nature. And so those are the three kinds of opportunity zone property that's been designated as part of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act when we're talking about opportunity zones. And so, again, these videos are geared not only to maybe investors that may be looking at opportunity zones. So any kind of opportunity zone opportunity that you look at, you just definitely want to check the map, make sure that business or that fund is operating inside that opportunity zone, and obviously making sure that the use of proceeds, usually that's designated in the private placement memorandum or PPM that they're using. You definitely want to make sure they're using a PPM. But yeah, this video is also geared toward entrepreneurs as well that are maybe they have an existing business that is inside an opportunity zone. Maybe you are looking to create move your business into an opportunity zone in order to help help create jobs or obviously attract capital. That's obviously one certainly a factor that investors would probably look at. Say, hey, well, obviously the merits of the business have to be sound, but also maybe the fact that you're operating in an opportunity zone. Okay, well, that makes it that much more attractive to an investor that may be wanting to look into their business, especially if they have any sort of capital gains issues that they want to try to defer or offset. So anyway, that gives you an idea of the different types of opportunity zone property. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about opportunity zones and structuring them, or if you needed to try to put together a private placement memorandum or PPM. Our firm is specialists in that area. So for the past going on 20 years, I've been doing this. And so feel free to, if this content is helpful for you, feel free to click the like button or subscribe. And certainly if we can help you in any way, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.